Good evening, viewers. Today we shall be looking at how to assemble Mr. Delta panel. Components are assembled on a plate, that comes with a control panel box. As you can see here, we are having line connectors with some few wire passed through it. We have the circuit breaker. We have the circuit breaker. We have the fuse holder. As you can see, it's having a fuse inside. This fuse is rated 6 amps. Then we have the phase monitor. We have the main contactor having a timer mounted on top of it, auxiliary timer. We have the overload, as you can see, the overload. Then we have the delta contactor. We have the star contactor. All of them are mounted on a DIN leg. As you can see, these are the trunkings. As you can see, after we are done with wiring, assembling, we put the wires as you see in a panel. Control wires. The red wires are the control wires, the black one are the neutral. Now everything is complete. You can see the black item is the CT, current transformer, timer. So you can see this is our push button, ammeter, push button, red button. Now at this moment we are going to test our control panel, and we see the response of the contactors after energizing it. As you can see, power is already on, but our test is going to be only using the control. We shall put the 3-phase later. Okay, now we are switching on power. Power is on. Our fuse has power, the component have power. So we are going to see the behavior of the contactors when we switch on our push button. This is what happens. The white light is showing the panel is on, but unfortunately, as you can see, the display here cannot show cause the voltage. We are going now to look at how the contactors behave as the push button is pressed. You can see it engages.